Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you craving a taste of the rich aromatic flavors of India? Look no further than this mouth-watering chicken Malai Tikka recipe. This dish, known for its tender, succulent chicken marinated in a creamy, yogurt-based sauce and grilled to perfection, is sure to tantalize your taste buds. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create this culinary masterpiece. From the perfect marinade to the ideal grilling technique, we got you covered. So, grab your aprons and let's embark on a flavorful journey together. So now let's begin with the recipe. First take a mixer jar, add 3 green cardamom, 6 garlic cloves, 2 inch ginger, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons water. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So now the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take a bowl, add 1 cup yogurt, half cup double cream, then add the ginger garlic paste which was previously made, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Add some salt to taste. 1 teaspoon nutmeg grated. 1 cup processed cheese grated. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 1 stock cube. Whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Then add 1 kg chicken breast cut in medium pieces. Make sure the size is something like this. Then give this a nice mix. And marinate this for at least 3 hours. You can also marinate it overnight for better results. Then take a baking tray and simply place silver foil on top. Then take the marinated chicken. Then take the skewers and thread the marinated chicken on the skewers. Then place it in the baking tray. Make sure to leave 1 cm gap between each other. Then bake it at 220 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes on one side. Then apply some melted butter. Then turn it around and bake it again for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets a nice golden brown color. Then apply some more butter. Then serve it. Use a tissue paper to remove it from the skewers. Then sprinkle some chaat masala and garnish it with some fried onion. And there you have it guys, chicken Malai Tikka is ready now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.